We're recording.
Go, Amber, go!
See how fast she goes.
Not too fast.
Not too fast.
But don't worry, she can do
Love
it.
the doggy.
Damn.
Love the doggy! Exercise!
Holy shit. This dog can run.
She's not even running yet.
No, she can go faster.
6.0.
Gee, that's a little fast, don't you think?
Okay, now slow it down. Slow it down. The dog needs exercises. Slow it down more. So she's gonna go flying off to the top. Slow it down more. It's too fast. Doggy, 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 doggy. Good dog.